This was so weird. Do black holes have sound?
So we died and saw nothing.
Both statements are inaccurate. A cardiac arrest is not death. And there was something, an infrasonic signature, 65 octaves below the middle C. Far below the range of human hearing. Gravitational waves emanating from a black hole.
So 4 months from now, I'll be
Orbiting the ergosphere of a black hole.
So we died.
So what what? Demerzel is in orbit of a black hole, and she's hearing the black hole. Did I hear that right?
Okay. Yeah. So couple of things. Yeah. She said that she heard the sound, which she described as infrasonic. So just like infrared is below red, I guess this is below sound. So she heard it, and then she somehow said that means she's going to be at an ergosphere in 4 months. I don't know how that happened.
So first off, what is an ergosphere?
Oh,
Ergosphere.
yeah, ergosphere.
Okay, let's get a little zoom here. Oh, get a little zoom here. In astrophysics, the ergosphere is a region located just outside a rotating black hole, between its event horizon and further external surface predicted by the metric that describes these objects. Okay, so it's the area around a black hole that's spinning. Okay.
And right where your mouse is, it received this name because it is theoretically possible to extract energy and mass from this region. I think that's why this thing was chosen. This type of black hole was chosen for the weapon that Dusk is making.
Oh, there you go. Okay. I like that. Because you can, so there's going to be massive amounts of energy in the black hole, assuming it's a large one, which most of them are, I guess. And you can extract and create a Death Star weapon.
Yep.
Okay.
So I guess Demi-Z heard the sound during like the mind meld vision thing. Is that right?
I think so. Which I just highly doubt that she could hear black hole sound, because I doubt the particle density is high enough. But
wait,
maybe
can you slow
she
that down?
said,
what is the definition of sound? Like by definition?
As far as I understand, if you have gas at high enough density, you can push on the gas and a pressure wave moves through the gas, meaning there's an oscillation, high, low, high, low, high, low of pressure, which then if it hits your ear, it causes the eardrum or however the sensor in the ear works to move back and forth so you can hear. Okay. But I think if you have a gas that's too dispersed, too thin, then you won't. Then the pressure wave won't be able to transmit. It'll just die out because there's not enough particles to transmit it. And I think around a black hole, I don't know if the particle density is high enough to have like actual sound.
I mean, maybe in the accretion disk where you're pulling in gas, but certainly not away from that. It's not like we have continuous gas all the way from a black hole all the way to us. Like, no. Space empty.
Yeah, no. Right. And so, I mean, I don't know much about a black hole, but that seems implausible. Maybe if the accretion disk is like real close in. But she does say, what does she say? She says,
signature, 65 octaves below the middle C. Far below the range of human hearing. Gravitational waves emanating from a black hole.
So she's implying that she's detecting the gravitational waves, not the sound. Right?
Yeah. So gravitational waves are a wave, just like sound waves are a wave. And so sound waves have a frequency that is in the human range. I think it's okay for different creatures, different beings to hear different sounds, just like dogs and bats can hear ultrasonic, but we can't. So that's okay.
Agreed.
And so if I take a real loose definition of sound as a wave that has a frequency, then if I totally throw away the air pressure part of sound, then maybe she can detect waves. I would be surprised. I would be surprised if Demi-Z could detect it, because here on Earth we can detect them, but we had to build this experiment called LIGO. It's light interferometry of gravitational waves observatory. Yeah. LIGO.
Laser interferometer.
Laser interferometer. Yep.
Gravitational wave observatory. Yeah.
Right. And the idea of this is you have a laser that goes two perpendicular directions, and you know exactly this distance, and you have mirrors at the end. And so when the laser comes back, exactly, it's big, right? It's big. And so when the laser comes back, if one of the arms has shrunk, been compressed a little bit because of a gravitational wave, then the laser pulses, by the time they get back to the control center, they will arrive at different times. So you measured the difference in length by a function of the speed of light, different time of arrival. Look how big this is. Look how big this is to detect a really small difference in length.
Yeah.
And so
I believe
Demizy's head is small.
This is what's required to detect gravitational waves, something miles long.
Mm-hmm.
And so I know that gravitational waves are going to be higher in intensity near a black hole, probably.
That's true.
But I don't know if it's going to be so much more intense that her tiny little ear is going to detect them. That would be wild.
That would be wild. Although, okay. But as a scientist, we don't know what Demizy is made out of. Maybe there's some future technology that can detect it. So maybe.
And maybe there's like some feedback mechanism across her whole body, and that comes into the ear. Maybe. Okay.
Now that we're looking at her ear, she kept her ear piercing hole.
Oh yeah.
Like she has the ability to heal her skin however she wants, so she kept those in there.
Oh yeah, for some reason. Okay.
Interesting little quirk about Demizy.
Yeah.
Sure.
Maybe back from her general days.
General earring.
Mm.